Okay, I'm going to show you a little trick here for question 7 on measuring distances when you have to change directions. Question number 7 on page 44, you're in position 41 degrees, 10 minutes north, 72 degrees, 50 minutes west. They make that real easy. Our start point is going to be where our latitude and longitude lines cross here. That's our start point. And it says, staying in the channel, what is the distance to New Haven Harbor lighted buoy 15? And if we're going along, we see here's the buoys. There's number 1 and number 2. Here's number 11 and 12. So there's 13, 14. So here's lighted buoy number 15. So they want to know, staying in the channel, what's the distance to that buoy? So I can't just measure straight to the buoy because that's not staying in the channel. So I need to make a measurement to the entrance of the channel. I need to make another measurement for this leg of the channel, and then I need to make another measurement here. And one way to do it is to just take those 3 measurements and add them all together. But let me show you a trick. So we only have to do it once. So I'll go from my start point, 41 degrees, 10 minutes north, 72 degrees, 50 minutes west. My start point, stretch my dividers out to the entrance of the channel. And really, at C, the entrance is marked by the buoy, so that's all I'm going to do is measure to the buoys. But now what I'm going to do is pivot my dividers so that they're parallel to the outer part of the channel here. And I'll use my parallel ruler, but I don't really have to because I could eyeball it. So if I swing this part of my dividers back, now I can just stretch them out, and I've essentially just tacked on that, and I can do the same for my next leg. Just pivot around and stretch out. So now I've actually gotten all 3 legs stretched out on my dividers at one time, and so I only have to measure once. And I'll take this to the side of my chart and measure that out. Rather than measuring 3 different separate legs and adding them together, I just measure the first one, swung it around, stretch it out, swing it around, stretch it out again. And so I've essentially put all 3 legs onto my dividers, and I've got that distance.